Hello everyone, myself Devki Shetty, PhD student, along with my guide Dr. Saraswati Murthy, Associate Professor, RJ College, Ghatkopar, Mumbai, would like to present on a study of working of consumer complaints and redressal mechanism of select e-commerce companies Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket and Grofers. We have taken this topic because in this current pandemic period we have witnessed that there is a huge preference for the online shopping, and companies such as Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket and Grofers are the leading ones. So it becomes quite essential and interesting to learn about the nature of consumer complaints and the redressal mechanism implemented by these companies. I would like to start my presentation with the famous quote by Bill Gates, which says, "Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learnings." Absolutely true. If we try to overcome the complaints of the unhappy customers, we would be able to resolve. It will be a good learning period for us, so that we will be able to overcome our shortcomings. Now I would like to start with the introduction. E-commerce industry, currently one of the booming industry, was once also considered to be very underrated. Yes, obviously due to the trust issues of the consumers as personal touch. Consumers cannot see the products like physical shopping was some of the reasons. But in the recent past, there are quite many e-commerce companies who are able to change the minds of the consumers. And as e-commerce has become very popular in the country, especially in the period of coronavirus pandemic, a significant percentage of the Indian population are now shifting towards e-commerce companies for their groceries and other needs. There are several e-commerce players in India, but in this select paper, only 4 of the companies famous biggies, e-commerce biggies such as Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket and Grofers have been considered. Now the objective of the study are: the first one, to examine the process of buying and selling online by e-commerce companies or players, to study the different types of complaints, point of dissatisfaction, disputes received from customers. Third, to understand the redressal mechanism for the complaints received and resolutions of the same by the e-commerce companies. Now, to understand the process of selling and delivering of goods to consumers, everything starts with the consumers visiting the company's website or the mobile application exclusively formed for the purpose, selecting the goods and services from the wide categories available, placing it in the shopping cart, making the preferred payment for the goods, whatever is such as from the options available, such as cash on delivery, debit credit card, Paytm, Google Pay, or we can also consider Amazon Pay. Whatever is possible, preferred option can be selected, and once the goods are ordered, those are packed from the point of supply and delivered to the address provided by the customer. From here, once the goods are delivered to the customer, then there may be a chances for complaints. And now every company would like to reach a level where there is zero complaints. But in reality, it is also said that zero complaints is a myth. There can be never, the company can never reach to a level where there is no complaints, but still 0 complaints may indicate a higher level of satisfaction through providing a better shopping experience to the consumers. And the nature of complaints may be related to delivery, product quality, missing quantity, mismatch in the quantity, color variation, etc. Now, the importance of complaint redressal and timely resolution of complaints. For that, firstly, let us understand the consumer complaint. This can be commonly understood as a negative feedback given by the customer either orally or in writing. Now, in the context of online shopping, if the consumer suffers through any of the damages to the products ordered in relation to the quality, quantity, or other aspects, if the companies fail to give appropriate redressal to the consumer has the right to seek for justice through the Consumer Grievance Redressal Cell, which was set up in February 2002 to address the complaints made by the consumers in matters such as high prices charged by sellers or any defective products sold by the seller. Therefore, it is very important for the companies to resolve the complaints raised by the consumers at the earliest. Normally, in case of an e-commerce company, complaints are registered either through an electronic mail or the chat box section of the mobile application of the online company. The complaint which is received is properly studied by the special officers assigned by the companies to specifically look after the complaints raised by the consumers and to resolve those at the earliest. Now let us see the procedure followed by Amazon and Flipkart in the redressal of the consumer complaints. They have a return and refund policy wherein the customers return the product ordered earlier but are not satisfied due to any issues. The refund is credited to the source account in the period of 8 to 9 working days after the product returned is received by the company. And e-commerce companies such as Big Basket and Grofers follow a similar pattern of redressal in which they also have a return and refund policy. But once the products are returned, they do not allow the refund to be done to the bank account of the consumer, but the refund is credited to the My Wallet section of the account of the consumers, and this amount can be used for future purchases from the same website. Now, initiatives they undertaken to ensure a good customer experience and zero complaints. The e-commerce companies are nowadays very proactive in case of resolving all the complaints that are faced by the consumers. They take all the efforts to ensure a good customer experience by sending them frequent reminders through emails about the new offers, new collections, festive discounts, other discounts, etc. They try to make all the efforts to reduce the complaints related to quality, delivery, and in case of delivery, complaints related to delivery, they have their own courier services. Like Amazon has its own in-house courier services, Flipkart has its e-cart courier service, and even Big Basket has in the same year 2020 it has acquired a micro delivery startup called Daily Ninja for its deliveries. These are some of the initiatives which are taken by the companies to ensure timely, prompt delivery of customers' order, thereby creating more happy customers who have zero complaints and are highly satisfied with this e-commerce biggies. Now the conclusion. I would like to say the success mantra of business is customer satisfaction. The consumers are said to be happy only when there are minimal complaints. For this purpose, the e-commerce companies should regularly provide the proper feedback to the suppliers so that there is no room for consumer complaints regarding products. Thank you.